In this video, I'm going to explain about Tableau installation. So Tableau basically has two products. One is a Tableau desktop and the other one is a Tableau public. So the main difference between these two products are Tableau desktop provides only 14 days of free access, and after 14 days we have to opt for a premium version or a paid version of Tableau desktop, and it also offers 1 year free trial for students. And when we come to Tableau Public, there are no such restrictions on accessing Tableau Public. We can use it for practice. We can use it for creating dashboards. We can use it for creating stories. And many professionals use Tableau Public for their work. So let's start by going to Google Chrome. So here, search for tableau.com. So here, this is the interface, and here we have products. Inside products, we have Tableau desktop and we have Tableau public. So first go to Tableau desktop, and here you might be seeing another interface because you have to register your email first, and then we will get the option to download Tableau desktop. So I have already registered my email address, and we have to give some personal details to, like phone number and the organization which we are working for. Such details we have to provide, and later we will be getting the download option, and therefore we can download it. So same applies for Tableau public. If you click on Tableau public, you might be seeing another interface here. Okay, then same applies here. We have to register our email address here and download it. Okay, I'll provide the link in the description also. You can download it from there, or else you can download it directly from the website also. So I've already downloaded it, so let's see that. So this is a Tableau public version, and this is a Tableau desktop version.